Yeah, it started. So, very good morning to one and all cadets present here. I will share my desktop screen so that you are able to see my presentation screen. So, cadets, are you able to see my presentation window? Yeah, fine. Any other responses? Only one response I heard. Is it visible to everyone, Pa? Cadets?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. The subject name, along with its code, we are going to see throughout this semester is UDIT 201 Foundation of Information Technology Lab. And currently we are in exercise number 8, the Sales Commission report. So today we are going to see the continuation of the last class. That is, last class we stopped due to the time. So we are going to continue the same in today's class, and we are going to do the hands-on session also. So before getting into the topic exercise, the agenda for today's session are attendance at the start and end, introduction about myself, netiquettes to be followed, then learning objective and outcome, then recap of our previous session, then introduction, explanation, summarization about the experiment, then at last Q&A feedback if any. So in accordance with this, I will start the attendance process. So cadets, please unmute your mic and mark your presence. Shresh Yadav, answer attendance part. Shresh Yadav.
Present, sir.
Sibiraj. Sitik.
Present, sir.
Siddharth. Signal. Signal. Suraj.
Present, sir.
Saurabh.
Present, sir.
Spash Panwar. Spash Panwar. Srirag.
Present, sir.
Sri Shankar.
Present, sir.
Sri Darshit.
Present, sir.
Sri Nayak. Subinjo. Sudhanshu Kumar.
Present, sir.
Suryadev.
Present, sir.
Susan.
Present, sir.
Tanish Mittal.
Present, sir.
Taushif Sama.
Present,
Taushif.
sir. Present, sir.
Tejas.
Present, sir.
Only, is it Tejas or Taushif?
Tejas.
Okay, fine. Darun Bobby.
Absent, sir.
Present, sir.
Tukkar Madhur.
Present, sir.
Adi.
Present, sir.
Vaibhav Singh.
Present, sir.
Vaibhav Singh. Yeah, Vaibhav, yes.
Present, sir.
Venkata Ramana. Vicky Kumar.
Present, sir.
Vishwanath.
Present, sir.
Vishwas.
Present, sir.
Vivek Prakash.
Present, sir.
Vivek Shubham.
Present, sir.
Vaishnav.
Present, sir.
Yadavan. Yadu Krishnan.
Present, sir.
Yash Raj,
Present, sir.
Yogesh Kumar,
Present, sir.
Sir, Signalal is present.
okay, noted.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah. Who is this?
sir, sir, Spurs Kumar is present.
Parpango. Yeah, okay, fine. Then Subinjo. Okay, fine.
Sir, Toshif is
So-
playing football, sir.
What? Tauship. Where is playing? I'm not getting you. Correct? Okay, fine. Getting back to the presentation screen. So, sales commission report. Yesterday we started, and the last part we want to discuss. I told about the working platform of Excel, various sheets, that is worksheet and sheets. So then workbook, then the extension dot Excel SX, then the basic formatting, alignment, how to wrap the text, how to increase or decrease the column or row with using the slider. So those things we discussed. So we will continue the rest of the things under the exercise sales commission report today. So I will show the Excel screen. So cadets, see my Excel screen. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay, thanks for your response. So this is what we started and completed yesterday. That is giving the border to the specific number of cells. So commission we calculated using the formula sales into 4%. Then salary is equal to basic salary plus commission. So for these two columns, we apply the formula. So make sure that before proceeding the formula, you want to proceed with the equal to sign or symbol. Make sure that while you are doing the formula. I'm hearing some distortion. So who is that? Sitik, please mute your mic. Path. Okay, fine. Subinjo, you are present. Okay, we will come to last part. Okay. So this is what the formula for these two particular cells or two columns. We applied the formula. Rest of the things we inputted manually. So some problem statement input you want to give. Rest of the things you want to make a calculation. If it is the student mark list means you want to input your roll number, register number, then your name, then some cases your department, then you want to input all the marks. That is, if you are having 6 subjects, you want to enter 6 subjects. That with the help of that, you can calculate the sum, you can calculate the total, average. So sum and average you can calculate with the help of the formula. So depends upon your taken problem statement, some input you want to fed up to the Excel. After that only you can move to the calculation part. So is there any clarifications required in the yesterday's class, cadets? Is there any clarifications required in the yesterday class? Any doubts?
Sir, formula, sir.
Formula is the formula actually depends upon your problem statement, taken problem statement. Okay, well, here I just told I take a sample formula sales into 4%. If it is the actual thing, you want to take the real calculation formula. You are asking the calculation of formula or which you are asking specifically, cadet? How to start the formula you are asking or how to do the formula you are asking?
Sir,
Specifically.
how to start the formula?
How do you start the formula? Yeah, okay. Once again, I will explain. I remove the formula here and here. So you want to initiate the formula means you want to start with the equal to sign. That's the first step. Then you want to select the cell address or cell. You can enter the cell address manually or you can just make a click on that cell. So two things can be done as per your wish. So you can enter the cell address manually or otherwise you can click over that particular cell specifically. So here the formula I gave, the problem will like this only. Commission, you want to calculate sales into 4%. Salary is equal to basic salary plus commission. So this is the formula. It is the problem given to you. You want to calculate the commission and the salary. For the commission, I want to have the sales column. After that, I want to multiply the same with 4%. So here, the sales column is the first cell. So I'm going to select the cell. If you click over there, it will give some highlighting color. After that, what is the next step means asterisk into 4%. So I'm asterisk 4%. So this is what the calculation of the formula, implementing the formula from the problem statement. So once it is finished, you are going to press the enter key. So the answer gets appear. If you want to change the formula or rule again, you are going to visit the same cell and you are going to edit the same formula from the formula bar. For example, if you want to change this 4% into 5%, you can edit the same formula from the formula bar. So this is what the formula calculation. Cadets, are you able to follow me? I mean, the cadet who are asking the query.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or you got my point? Okay. So again, I am doing the same calculation. So equal to, for the salary, I need basic salary and then commission. So basic salary first cell is this one. And I'm going to use the plus operation. And the commission first cell is this one. I completed the formula. So I'm pressing the enter. So this is what the thing. The last one is you are going to calculate the total. So here, what I'm going to do means total. So for a basic salary, for the sales, for the commission, for the total salary, I'm going to calculate the total. So what I'm going to do means I'm going to start the formula that is equal to. The total is equal to, I want to add all these things. You can do by two things. One is entering the cell address manually or entering the cell address collectively. So you can also use the cell address for this particular cell is D4. Am I right, correct? What cell address for this
Yes,
one?
sir.
13,000. D4. So if I click over the name bar, displays D4. So here I can type D4 plus again D5 like this. Also I can type D6. So once you confining your cell addresses, the cell address belongs to the specific gets highlighted with different set of colors. So see the colors, then D7 and at last DH. DH. So up to all the cells, required number of cells, I finished and selected and finished. So after the completion of the formula, I'm going to press the enter key. So this is the first method. Second method, you are starting with the equal to sign. Then you are going to select all those things. So here, if you are selecting collectively means you want to use one function called sum. If you are selecting collectively means you want to use the function sum. So these are the two methods for calculating the total. So pressing the enter key, so it will display the total. So cadets are able to follow me. So first one is you are going to enter the cell address manually. Second one is with the help of one function, you are going to select the cell addresses collectively. Any clarifications required, cadets?
No, sir.
Sir, second method, sir.
Second method, yeah, fine. So I will repeat again. So here I start the formula with equal to symbol as it is. Then I want to select cell addresses collectively, not I'm going to enter one by one manually. So in those case, I want to use one function called sum because I'm going to calculate the total. So I want to sum all the cells in order to get the total. So what I am going to do means I will use one function sum, S-U-M. After that, I am going to open up the parenthesis. Then I am going to select all the cells. Whatever whatever I want to calculate the total, I want to select all those cells. Here I am having only 5 number of cells. If you want to calculate 10 number of cells, you are going to select 10 number of cells collectively. So starting from first one, I am going to make a click and drag. I'm going to select up to the required number of cells. Once it is finished, I am closing the function by using closing parenthesis. So once it is finished means I am going to press the enter key. So it will show the final result. Is it okay, cadet? Your doubt is clarified?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. So the same process, equal to sum, open parenthesis. Then I will select all the cells, required number of cells, and I am going to use the close parenthesis to close the function. After that, I will press the enter key. So this is the calculation of total. So here, if required, you can make the alignment process, then make a bold, that is formatting, then apply some font style also. Okay, I will give like this. Then font size, then alignment I already did, and if required you can also give the border, so it can be selected from the font ribbon and then you can select all borders. So in this way you can decorate after the completion of all the calculation process. You can decorate your own document, own spreadsheet. So this is what the entire salesman commission report or sales commission report. So this is the formula you are going to calculate. In the examination point, this particular formula will be given to you. So don't worry about the formulas. You don't want to mug up or don't want to read the formula because the question gets varied in your final semester examination. So formula can be given. With the help of the formula only, you are going to calculate. You want to create the table. You want to calculate with the help of the formula given in your question paper. So don't worry about the formulas at all. So you are going to solve the problem using the given calculation formula. That's it. So this is what the thing I want to tell. So any other clarification means you can ask, otherwise we can move on to our hands-on session.
Sir,
Yeah, tell pa.
sir, how can we make the title of the sales commission report?
Title of the report. Okay, fine. You want to select the particular cell wherever you are having your textual contents. You want to select that first. I will explain. So here the sales commission report I typed only under the cell A. So I want to make it as a center because as it is the title, I want to make it in the center of my table. So I want to select the cell starting address to, that is starting of the table, and I want to select all the cells by click and drag to the end of the cell table or end of the table cell. So once it is selected or the selection gets over, I am going to use the option merge and center. So I'm going to click merge and center so that the title gets centered into the table. That is above the table, the title gets centered. So in this way, you can make your title in the center to the table. Clarified, correct?
Okay, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. So merge and center option is used for making your title to the center of the table. That is what. Any other clarification required? No, I guess, because I take it in the positive note. So make down, I mean, note down the column title, that is serial number, employee ID, employee name, basic salary, sales, then commission, then salary, because you are going to plot the same thing only. If want, you can change the values. You don't want to have the same values, you can change the values, ID, name, but the column title, make sure that you are going to have the same. Rest of things you can do it in your own. So I will show the print preview also. So this is what the print preview. So in this way only your document will looks like. Sorry, able to see my screen? Print preview screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So wherever I applied the border, that particular portion border only get displayed. Rest of the grid lines not get displayed in your hard copy. And one more thing I want to tell, I want to share. So here I calculated the formula with the help of two methods. So one method, either I can type the addresses manually or I can collectively select the cell address. So whatever the formula, if you are repeating the formula for the upcoming cells, because the first cell I want to calculate the total, the second cell I want to calculate the total, third cell, fourth cell. So if it is so, what I can do simply means I can copy the formula and I can paste the formula also, instead of typing the equal to sum, then selecting all those things. I can also apply the same formula to the rest of the cells. I will show how it is. I will show here. So here I selected, I'm going to make it as Control C. So sorry, one second. I will show here equal to sum. I'm going to select from this cell to this cell, and I'm pressing the enter. So the same sum only I'm going to repeat to the rest of the cells, means I can use Control C, then I'm going to click the next cell. After that, I'm going to press the enter key in your keyboard. So once I press the enter, it will automatically paste the formula whatever I applied earlier. See the difference here. If you see the formula under the formula bar means equal to sum D4 to D10. This is what I selected earlier. Then here, if you look to the formula means E4 to E10. So wherever the selection I made earlier, the addresses only gets changed. Now I am going to repeat again. Here I am going to paste the same formula. So I am pressing the enter key in my keyboard. So it will shows the value. Again Control C, and I am selecting the cell, pressing the enter key. So in this way also you can paste the formula. If you are using the same formula to calculate the rest of the cells also means you can have like this also. Correct? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Yes,
repeat
sir.
the applying of formula?
Yeah. Okay, fine. I will repeat again. So first cell only you are going to have the formula. That is sum of D. So here I will start formula. Start typing the formula equal to sum. I am going to select the cells. So from here to here, I selected and I close the parenthesis also, and I press the enter key. So it will display the answer. The same formula only the cell address gets different. That is, column is basic salary I calculated. For the sales also same formula, but the changes are cell addresses, but the same formula only. Equal to sum only I'm going to use means I can make the Control C option, that is copy the particular formula in the cell, and I select the specific cell wherever I am going to apply the formula, then press the enter key. So after pressing the enter key, you can see the difference between the previous cell and to the present cell. So previous cell D4 to D10, so present cell E4 to E10. Only the cell addresses get changed, the formula remains same. I am going to calculate the sum only. So formula remains same, only the cell addresses gets different. So for that you are going to have the shortcut Control C. Then you want to select the specific cell, press the enter key so that it automatically gets pasted into the cell. Can I clarify? Who are asking it out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So with this, I will stop my lecture session. So you can start your hands-on practice. So who are using the mobile phone or don't having this particular MS Office in your laptop, then you can use Google Sheets. Previously used Google Docs. Now you can use Google Sheet. Okay, ma? I will type the same thing in the chat box also. Google Sheet. So you can use the Google Sheet to make the changes. I mean, make the spreadsheet what told. So this is what the to create. I will zoom it. So you can start your hands-on practice. If any clarification required, you can ask me at any point of time. If you completed means you can share your screen. Because once it is confined, the rest of the exercises we can start and complete as earlier as possible. That is what I am giving the answers and training now itself. I will stop the recording also because it's empty.